first time we are doing an unboxing of this scooter. Well, for this particular scooter, yes it is. I mean, we just received it yesterday from California. This is the third one. I've already bought two in the past, and then one, my son had an accident and then completely shattered it. Thank God he wasn't injured too bad, although he had to be taken to the hospital in an ambulance. And then we bought a second one, and the second one got stolen in just a matter of a month outside of his gym. Right? So this is the third one that we had to buy. Oh my God, look at this. Can you show baby how low it? Oops. Dang, this thing is heavy. Oh, let me get rid of this right here. You can throw it away. Oh. So yeah, this is an Emove Cruiser, and it is probably one of the best mileage scooter that you can find in the market right now. And we have tested it, as you know. Like I said, we have had two of this in the past. We already know what this scooter is capable of. It gives you almost 55 miles per charge, which is a lot for a scooter like this. 55 miles is a lot. And then it can travel about 35 miles per hour. That's pretty good speed. And when you're a student, this is perfect. Okay, here's the box. I don't know what it is. Let's see. Okay, that's the charger. Oh my God, this thing is heavy, I know. So yeah, this is called an Emove Cruiser, if you can see it right here. So this is the second black one. The first one that we got, the one that he had an accident, was an orange. And then the second one that got stolen was a black. And now this is a black again. All right, now look at this, okay? This is how you set it up, if I remember it well. Maybe not. Well, what is it? Why do I feel like it's locked? Okay, so pull this lever out. I think there it is. And then all you gotta do is just snap it tight. There it is. So now, let's see if I could grab this knife and then get rid of this small zip tie. Okay, there it is. There it is. All I gotta do is just snap this in place like that. There it is. The handles are good. And now, let's raise the handlebar, because my son is pretty tall. See, that's how high you can go. Okay, you can tighten this up a little bit here if you need to. And then, let's do that. There it is. So this is it. It has a kickstand, I think, somewhere around here. There it is. Set it up. And now, just take a look at this giant, I don't know, standing board. It has a lot of room. I'm 6'1" almost, and then see, I have plenty of room right here. I have plenty of room. Okay, the handles. There's the speed. Let's see, these are probably not super tight. Okay, there are a couple keys right here too. Couple keys. The keys don't really do much, because when the last one was stolen, the guy who stole it didn't have any keys, but he still stole it. Turn it on. See, it's 52.7 volts. You can turn it on right here. These are kind of loose right now. I'm gonna have to tighten them up. So basically this is what it is. This is what an Emove Cruiser looks like. And this is honestly one of the best scooter you can buy. For the price, this is really, really worth it. I think it is $1,499 plus tax. And then if you're a student, you get about $100 off. But you're gonna have to verify that on ID Me, I think. Once you get yourself verified on ID Me, then they will send you a code that will give you $100 off. So this will probably cost you about $1,500. But it is absolutely worth it for the price, like I said, because electric scooters in general, especially something with this kind of range, usually cost a lot more than $1,500. Let's see if I can tighten this up a little bit. There it is. Okay, no wonder. Make sure it's tight. Oops. Anyways, I guess this is it. So with this tool that they give you, make sure that you go through every little screws and knobs to make sure that these are tight. Okay, this is a 10-inch tubeless tire. It does not have any tube. It's pretty solid, we know from experience. Okay, and it has, disc brakes. And then it also has, what do you call these things? Blinkers. There it is. That's the right indicator, and then there's the left indicator. All right, and then you have the front light. There it is. Pretty bright. Can you show that? That's pretty bright. That's not too bad. It is pretty helpful at night, especially you're driving around University Town. That's great. So, and then also another thing that I really like about this scooter is you have this little light in the front that you can turn on so that people can see you. I mean, let's see. There it is. You see that? There's two of these. So pretty bright. Anybody could see you when you're riding your scooter in the dark, and that's a good thing. This is what an Emove cruiser looks like.